Today I am going to make everyone's favorite dal khichdi. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. So let's get started and look at the ingredients first. Half bowl split green gram and 1 bowl rice washed and soaked in water. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 onion finely chopped, 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped, half inch ginger finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, salt to taste, water and clarified butter. To start with, in a pressure cooker, heat 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 1 finely chopped onion and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped and saute until raw smell of garlic goes away. Now add 1 green chili chopped fine, 2 tomatoes chopped fine, half inch ginger chopped fine and add 10 to 15 curry leaves and mix well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and saute until tomatoes become soft. Now add mixed and soaked half bowl of split green gram and 1 bowl of rice in the pressure cooker and mix well. Now pour 3.5 bowls of water and season it with salt. Now close the lid and cook on high flame for 6 to 7 whistles. The consistency of khichdi can be adjusted as per your choice. Yummy and sizzling hot dal khichdi is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I will be back soon with many more interesting and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.